Good morning, children. I hope you must be enjoying your winter break, a long winter break. Okay, so today I will take up your data handling again, page number 216. Yesterday I had sent you some graphs so that you understand how you plot your points on the graph. Okay, when you come back to school, I'm going to explain everything again. By the time you just learn by seeing that how you plot your points on the graph, how you construct the graph. Okay, now today we are going to take exercise 15A, question number 5 as well as 6. Okay, now I will tell you today how to read your graph. Okay, already the graph is made in the book. How you read the graph and then answer the questions by looking at the graph which is already made. So all of you should keep your maths book in front when you are seeing this video, because you will understand better. So if you see your question number 5, they have already given you a graph over there which is saying on the y-axis number of students, and on the x-axis they are saying animals. So they have given you different animals on the x-axis and number of students on the y-axis. Then if you see, they have given you the questions which are to be answered looking at the points which have been plotted in the graph. Okay, so let's take. Which is the most popular topic? Now out of lion, dogs, elephants, birds and snakes, whichever graph is the highest, जो सबसे ऊंचा ग्राफ है, जो सबसे लंबा ग्राफ है, that we have to see. Okay, because they are asking most popular. Most popular means that many people, many students have been liking that topic. Okay, so if you see the bar of the dogs, okay, the bar of the dogs is the highest over there. Number 6 on the y-axis it is reaching. Okay, so that means the most popular topic will be the topic of dogs. See the second one, which is the least popular topic? Least popular topic का मतलब क्या हुआ? जिसको सबसे कम पसंद किया है, the topic which has been liked very less by the students. Now if you see snakes, Snakes is the lowest graph which is showing over there. सबसे छोटा ग्राफ है snakes का, which is falling on number 1. 2 mark है, 2 के नीचे वाली जो एक line है, that is supposed to be 1. That means snake is 1. That means one student only likes snakes. So that means this is the least popular topic amongst the students. Then see the third one. C part. What percent of the total number of students opted for lions as the topic? Now, first of all, you have to see which topic they are asking for. They are asking for the topic of lions. Just see where the lions topic is. It is going up to point 2. Okay, where 2 is marked, the graph is going up to 2. That means 2 students are liking the topic of lions. Correct? Then they are telling you to find the percent, and you already know that whenever we are going to find the percent, we are going to multiply by 100. But not only multiply by 100, we have to first see how many students are there in the plotting of the graph. Okay, so if you see, there are total number of students will be 16. See, on the lions, that lion is 2, dogs is 6, elephants is 5, birds is 2 and snakes is 1. Okay, so if you add 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, it will give you 16. So total students are 16, and I have to find the percentage of the lions. So what will I do? I will write 2, because 2 is the number for lions, upon 16, which is the total number of students, multiplied by 100. So after writing this equation, 2 upon 16 into 100, 2 is the number which is for lions. 16 is the total number of students multiplied by 100 because we have to find the percentage. Okay. We will have the equation 2 upon 16 into 100. We will reduce it. We will cancel it. You have already done the fractions, how you reduce the numbers. You know that. So you will reduce it and then you will get 25 upon 2 after you reduce everything. 25 upon 2 will be converted into the decimal, which will give you 12.5%. That means what percent of the total number of students opted for Lions as the topic? It will be 12.5%. Okay. Then see the D one. What is the total number of students in the class? Just now I told you how to find the total number of students. You see on the lions it is 2 students. Dogs there are 6 students. Elephants there are 5 students. Birds there are 2 students. Snakes there are 1 student. So you will add up all these numbers, 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, and you will get the total number of students as 16. Then see the E one. Express the number of students who opted snake as a fraction of the whole class. That means you have to write the fraction of the topic for the snakes. So if you see in the graph, snake is number 1. That means 1 student is liking the topic of snakes. So 1 is going to become the numerator, and there are 16 students in the class. Total number of students in the class are 16. So your denominator will be 16. So when I am going to write the fraction for the snake, it will be 1 upon 16. That means in the numerator, you are going to write that number of students who have opted for particular topic, and in the denominator, you will have the total number of students. Like for example, I give you one more example from the graph only. Suppose I have to write, instead of snakes, I have to write for elephants. Okay. So if you see in the graph, elephant is on 5. That means 4 और 6 के बीच में जो लाइन है वहाँ पर elephant का ग्राफ आ रहा है. That means वो 5 है. 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, तो वो 5 है. तो क्या हमने करेंगे? If I need to write the fraction for elephants, I will write 5 in the numerator, and because there are total number of students which are 16, I will write 16 in the denominator. So my fraction for elephants will be 5 upon 16. Okay. So this is the way you write your fraction. I have explained you question number 5. Same way you look at question number 6 and you answer the question on the side. Okay. First you see whether you understood or not, and then answer the questions which they are asking you on the side. Both these questions you will do it in the book, as well as you are going to draw the graph in the graph copy. ठीक है, जिस तरफ ग्राफ शीट है उस तरफ ये ग्राफ बनाएंगे बुक से देखकर, और जिस तरफ लाइन साइड है वहां पर you will write the question, you will write the answer. Okay, so you will do this for question number 5 as well as question number 6. So you have to make the graph on the graph page, and you have to write the question answers on the line side. I hope it is clear today nicely. Okay, in case you have any problem, you can always ask me.